First ride in the G8.
Yeah, an actual fast car.
Oh, the camera's turned this way. Well, I'm a goofball.
What?
I was over here.
Oh, you can flip it around.
First ride in the G8.
Yep, he's in a real fast car now.
First time.
See. I hate pulling out here because
Me too. I do like a count.